everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayoki and today's video is just an in-depth video on how I mainly edit my photos for fun. I pretty much use a simple app in my app store that everyone pretty much should be familiar with of having, which is Picsart. Picsart is a free photo editor that you can use. However, if you want to use the Pro package, which is what I'm using right here to detail my photos, it is a charge. Yeah, a charge. So I was paying like $3.99 for 3 months. However, the yearly one is like $47.99. So you can pay monthly or you can do yearly. Depends on your budget. You can definitely select that option when you want to upgrade for Picsart. So as you guys can see here, I'm pretty much detailing my hair. I normally like to play with different filters and different colors to my hair color. As you guys can see, I was going for I don't know, maybe like a Disney look, if you want to say a Disney look. So I was just playing in colors and just being inspired by what I see through the Pro tool of using the Pro filters and etc. in Picsart. But overall, I have fun creating this look, and I'm not really going to talk too much in this tutorial because this is my first tutorial and I'm really not a talkative person, but I did try to make it as long and detailed as possible so you guys can see what all I click on and for just things of how I edit. This is not the only photo editor I use. However, if you guys are interested to see what other options it is available to use to edit your Picsart picture like a pro, definitely let me know. I can definitely leave some links below for you guys if you are interested in more photo editor software that is free and also affordable, because sometimes different software can be, you know, pretty high. So I definitely understand everyone wants to, you know, ball on a budget, edit like a pro. So you can definitely do that with the free trials. But yeah, so I'm not going to really talk too much in this tutorial. I definitely hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely put up more videos in the future of me doing some of my graphic design and other things in that nature. Again, thank you guys for tuning in to my video and also checking out my channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. So I definitely hope you guys have a great holiday and enjoy this video. Bye.